Voice, good afternoon to your
Afternoon.
listeners and viewers. Voice, for the cement
Yes.
price there, I think there's one expert in town that we all have to go and then ask.
Who
You
is
know
that?
Bridget Otoo? You know Bridget Otoo? Oh yes. You are forgetting things. Oh, see, for almost like 6 years, this lady was on President Akufo-Addo's deck, cement price, because she was selling some Jata cement or something. And anytime the cement prices goes up, one person, this lady will come on social media and make noise. And she will make noise. Now, I don't even know where she is now. So I think we have to go and look for her. But since she is an expert in cement pricing, so that she will come and update us whether the thing is 82, 80, 120, or 130. You understand? But
Yeah.
from the looks of things, what happened? Yesterday we asked, we went everywhere. Yesterday I went to town. I
Okay.
asked. It ranges from 120 to 130. And even some prices were even increased yesterday. One from 104 to 105. I think one of the low grade cements. You understand? So as for that one, there, please kindly look for Bridget Otoo's number and then you search for her. You bring her to the show so that we ask her about the cement price.
I've heard you.
Good.
Oh, yeah.
And then I think Dr. Baumia also made a profound statement yesterday. This, I think, is something that is for some of us who are political watchers. We know this thing, but the NDC is failing to admit. Ever since they came, they've never made any external payments, internal payment, contractors. All the contractors, those that Akufo-Addo paid. You know, one thing President Akufo-Addo did that has also helped this economy is at the time that he was leaving office, the voice, President Akufo-Addo made some payments to the big contractors. And that includes those overheads in Kumasi and then the Temamoto way. So it is that payment that has helped this government because as at now, nobody is demanding any payment from them, and so they are kind of relaxed. They are not making any payment, just as Dr. Baumia said. They are not making any payment, and so that's when we see the dollar, the city gaining some strength. The voice. These people are very deceptive, and when we leave them, it is very, very important on our part that we educate the Ghanaian people as to the happenings in the economy. Ever since they came, this thing strategies have they implemented? Apart from them, see the voice. Even with the gold board, eh? Let me tell you something. Last time, the gold board issued a statement that they've been able to purchase about almost 900 million worth of gold. I don't know whether you read that statement in just 1 month. How much were they giving? Your voice is not coming. No, we can't hear you.
Please, can you hear me well now? Is it clear?
Yes, I can hear you now.
All right.
How much were they giving to purchase the gold? They were giving 200
million US dollars.
Very good, 300 million. And in 1 month, if they've been able to purchase or sell about 900 million worth, where are they getting the extra from? In 1 month, yes. You see, this is the magic these people are conjuring. It means it is the reserve that is there. The one President Akufo-Addo Baumia left. These are the reserves these people are selling. You understand? Because in 1 month, if in 1 month you've been able to sell about $900 million worth of gold in 1 month, and you'll be given $275 million to purchase gold. So in 1 month, assuming you use.
I think our golds are kept at the Bank of England, if I'm right. I don't know.
Hello?
If someone has a.
The vault.
The vault is at the Bank of England, is that not so?
No, I think it's with Bank of Ghana.
Are you sure? All right.
Yes.
You finish up because I came across some information. That's why I'm asking that. Okay, you finish up.
Yeah, but the voice, see, it is something I've been thinking about. You were giving 200, okay, let's say $300 million to purchase gold, and then if you are telling us that in 1 month you'll be able to purchase 3 times the money that they gave you.
They are using Baumia's reserves.
Very good. It means it's the reserve that is there. That is what they are selling. And they are planning to replace it later. You understand? They are planning to replace it later. So assuming we don't even get it, it means the city is even going to suffer the more in the coming months. I'm telling you. Yes. And if you read about this thing, if you read a bit about the statement that Sami Gyïmifuɔ issued, you could see that in the next 3, 4, 5 months, if they are unable to replace that gold that they've sold, I'm telling you, where the city will run to. This before, I don't know how we are going to even stay in this country.
Yeah.
I don't even know how we are going to stay in this country. And we know now they are not making any payment. Atuforce is not making any payment because when President Gyïmifuɔ was leaving, they made a lot of payment to the contractors, and to that has given us some respite to kind of
some of the contracts to delay how much when we will pay them. I mean, Gyïmifuɔ's government, because
yes, you understand. And so, if there's any credit, then they have to give it to President Gyïmifuɔ and his government. If there is any credit, yes, they have to. But then you see Atuforce going around and then making some statement. I'm just laughing.
But I'm happy with that. I'm happy Atuforce is owning up that he's the one doing something about the city. Because
he's not the one that they asked at the vetting.
Blame fully.
Yes, at the vetting when they asked him about the city depreciation and appreciation and all that, he says with the Bank of Ghana, not him.
Yeah.
But then when the city started appreciating something, he came and then he owned up that yes, it was him.
Let's allow him. Because when he goes the other way, when the city starts losing value, then we will be able to blame him fully for it. Because if you take the praise, you should take the what? All right, Ken, thank you so much.
Yeah.
But I want you to commit to the fact, say, in case Honorable Gyïmifuɔ does not win the flag bearership, you will still campaign for whoever the people.
Oh, as for me, the voice. This thing, I don't know whether it's only here or I mean everywhere. Me, I'm MPP. I'm MPP. I've always been MPP. And so whoever comes, whoever comes, even though my preferred choice is Ken Japan, but whoever comes, me, I'm for the person. But the voice, who should I go and then who should I go and then campaign for? NDC.
Ask.
Aha!
Ask again.
I can't go and campaign for NDC. You understand? I cannot go and campaign for CPP. As for CPP, they are even out. Aha.
Okay. Yo, thank you so much. I'll come back to you. You forgot to talk about the Rollins Burkina Faso, but your time is up. So when I come back,
you don't worry. The next round.
So I think Ghana Jollof is next. I think Mama Pounds. Ghana, yeah, Baunya Island.
Hey, Ghana Jollof. Alapena mayor rough was your.
Oh, me they say me who na me they me